That's a rock you said. We're going to Glenrock and we're going to do 6-shooter. Let's get into it.
Yes, Sid. Good.
And we're finally at Glenrock, but we just didn't tell you. And we did seismic. We might do it again for review. And right now we're doing 6-shooter. They're just jumps. It just goes along and then comes back around here.
Yeah, there we are.
And then right, it's coming up. Woo! Ew. How was it? It just went to 6-shooter and now I'm having a little snack. You want one? There you go. And now we're going to Twisties, which I forgot about. So,
It's twisty and windy, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so if any of you don't have a mountain bike and you feel like you want to have a mountain bike, then you might want to get a Trek or a Marin because those are pretty good, and I have one and the family has one, except my mum. And yeah, and our mum has a Liv, and she's pretty bad. No offense, Mum. But you should get a Marin because they're pretty good. This is where we're going to end our episode. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. See ya.